Hey guys, 65, 66 people. I saw this car on Craigslist and I went and purchased it. It's a 66, and I noticed, the first thing I noticed was where someone had got in here and cut this upper cowl. With the hood and fenders on it, I just assumed they had peeled this up enough to where they could get inside there to seal that vent, the stovepipe or whatever you call those. And I saw this, I thought, you know what, anybody else would probably fill that with filler. Then I saw these dents here, and I thought, you know what, I need to get in there and look at that, take a good look at that lower cowl and decide what I want to do. And so I started cutting this open. I noticed they cut this down here, so they cut this entire piece off, but they did it to where you couldn't see some of it, so they cut it right here all the way across. I assumed they just peeled this back, but they didn't. They took this whole piece off so they could fix that inner stovepipe there. So when I got into here, I noticed, you can see that they sealed it from up underneath the car. But I was gonna, after seeing this, that they sealed it, I wanted to get in there and see how bad this was, because I know this is an expensive piece here for some, like $270, which is a lot of money, and it's a lot of work to put these on. But I cut this out here, and it looks like this lower cowl is actually in pretty good shape, but I won't know exactly, and also how well they did this. It looks like they did a pretty good job so far, but I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I didn't want to use filler on this and it be on top of the car catching all that heat. I can do a quarter panel, or a drop off repairs and stuff that's not going to weather as hard, but something like this, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So anyway, I'll let you know what it looks like, and then we'll move forward. Might need a bottom piece as well. So that's where I'm at.